6, currently in senior KG. Can
Uh-huh.
you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah. So I've already attended last year, I think, your session. So we have been following a great deal from that. It has helped them a lot.
that's
Mm,
wonderful.
yeah,
Yes,
even a few of your Olympiad sessions too, I have followed.
that's amazing. So did you watch them on YouTube?
Yes, yes,
All
most
right.
of them. Yeah. Sometimes
Fantastic.
I miss the classes, right? When you post them, like
Yes,
today, it's like
yes.
so. Usually, I get back to your YouTube channel.
All right. Not a
Yeah.
problem. I think if that's a great spot to, catch up on the things that we may miss out on, right?
Yes. And
Yes.
definitely the stories that you've been sharing in Instagram, they keep on, I mean, we keep on updating ourselves,
Thank
teaching
you.
methods. Yeah.
I'm glad.
Thanks a lot, Avni.
Yeah. Nidhi, can you tell us about yourself and your child?
Hi, Avni.
Yeah.
My child his name is Kavish, and he's 6.5 years old. He's in first grade. And also,
Mm-hmm.
I had spoken to you on Instagram. I relate to you a lot. My daughter is turning 1 in March as well, like yours.
Oh, wow. Yes, I know. We are in the same state also, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
Yes,
so they're just a week apart, right?
yes, yes.
14th or 15th March?
Mine is 16th March.
15th March, all right. Yes. That's wonderful to know. So our kids are together.
Yes, absolutely.
Wonderful. Priyanka, so Priyanka has become a very dear friend because we keep on communicating, just like how I have been communicating with all of you. So visually, you get to see me, but I have just like Nidhi for the first time. I'm seeing okay how Nidhi looks like. So Kartiki, if you can just put your video on. I have also met Kartiki because she stays in Nagpur. So over a book exchange, we met. So Priyanka, please. Priyanka is a super mom. She's an architect by profession, and her daughter is brilliant. So Priyanka, please introduce yourself.
Hi. I'll just correct you. I'm not architect by profession. I
Okay.
I dabbled for a long time on interior designing.
Okay.
We do a lot of trading. I mean, I have Godrej franchisee, Saint Gobain
All,
franchisee. So we deal in
all,
products, all of that. Anyway, so
all
my daughter is almost going to be 7 in May. She's in
awesome.
grade 1,
Mm-hmm.
and we have been talking to you through Olympiad sessions and
Yes,
everything. So I
correct.
keep going back and forth when I look at something you post. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this topic I need to revisit again because then I keep forgetting that I have to do
Correct.
this.
Mm-hmm.
So every time your post are a reminder that I have to do this also. Okay, let's touch upon this topic now. So we
Okay.
keep doing that. I'm really looking forward to this session.
All right. Wonderful. Kriti,
And
please.
I'm
Yes.
sorry. I'm also coming to Nagpur. Maybe I get to see you or meet you. Maybe I don't.
Awesome. When is the date?
I will be coming on 5th of March.
Okay,
So
fantastic.
let's see. I'll message you. Let's see if we can find some
Perfect. Then
time.
I will make time. We will catch up. That's going to be wonderful. Yeah, sure. Kriti, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Kriti. I know Avni since school days.
So
So the
we were
reason I'm today, okay.
in nursery since I think KG, we've been in the same school. Luckily, now Kriti is in the same city. So
Yes.
I'm blessed.
We
But
feel nostalgic talking about our old days.
yeah.
I'm getting a great guidance from her for my elder one, and for this workshop, I'm joining for my younger one. He's in KG 2 right now.
Mm-hmm.
He'll be going to just grade 1 in April right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have Payal here. Payal, can you introduce and tell us about your child?
Hello everyone. This is Payal. I'm from Calcutta. So I've been following Avni for some time, and I keep asking her questions, and she replies all the time, and she's been of great help. So I have
Wow,
two kids. The elder one is in grade 3, and the younger one is 5 years old. He's going to grade 1.
fantastic.
So
Okay.
that's why I thought, this would be like really useful for me because he's very interested in maths also. Like and for my elder one, like you suggested, I started following Dimension Maths, and he's enjoying that because he likes everything to be interesting. For him, if
Correct.
it's boring, he doesn't want to
Voice.
voice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
he's really liking it. So I think, the suggestions that you gave, I follow that, and it's been really useful for my elder one. So I'm looking forward to, doing the same with my younger one as well.
Thank you guys for such a wonderful feedback. It keeps me going on because there are days when I feel, okay, am I just doing bakwas on Instagram or it's actually helping kids? Okay, so I think I have not missed. I have Trisha here. Trisha, can you please introduce yourself? So Trisha has also become like a very, very old friend because of social media. Trisha, are you here?
Yeah, hi, Avni, I'm here. Yeah.
Oh.
Thank
So
you so
Trisha,
much, Avni. Hi, Avni, how are you?
I'm good. Yes. I hope you
Yeah,
are doing. Please tell
yeah,
us.
yeah. Yeah, so I got connected with Avni during COVID times, and since then, there's no stop. More than when we want to search for something for our kids, we usually Google it, but I go to Avni's page, and if I miss out anything, I try to recall, okay, yes, we can do like this. For my elder one, I have two kids. One is in grade 5, and my younger one, he's going to grade 1 next year. I mean this year. So when for my elder one now, I need to restart again, reintroduce the concepts to him. So I again go back to your page and then again start, my research, seeing your work, that what should I do, what should I follow. So thank you so much, Avni. Because of you, now I can proudly say that yes, I am teaching my kids the correct way. And the rote learning method and the method which we did were really not good enough. I should say they were not sufficient enough. But now, thankfully,
Yeah, I think
and in fact, we are getting trained ourselves too.
definitely. I think it's each one of us are learning from our challenges, and it's always a growing platform here because I see what I have done with Ayantika maybe 5 years ago. The same thing is not valid with Athar because it is such a customized thing. It is as per the child's needs. So some of the kids, they need a lot of brushing up. The other kids, they know the concept, and if we are going to do that too much with them, they're going to get bored. So we need to know the right tool to keep them interested. I am going to start with this, and the few
Avni,
things that
can I just say one thing?
yes.
Avni, one of my friend, she's just started following you on Insta, and she also wanted to join the session. Her son is going to grade 2, so she
Okay.
would also like to join the session. So can I send the link, or is it
Hi.
possible for her to join now?
Yeah. Yes, please do that because I'm going to share my screen and we'll start with the conceptual part right now. Okay. So you can
So I'll
join.
share your mail only. I'll
Yeah.
forward your mail.
Yes.
She can join.
Not a problem. So
Okay. And just that she is a bit more comfortable in Hindi. So if possible, beach mein you can go in Hindi as
I
well.
will, but then I have some people who may not be comfortable in Hindi. Is Hindi fine with everyone?
No, not completely, means she understands, but then obviously at confidence level, she's a little.
Yeah. No, that's fine. If any conversation needs to be done, I am quite open. But if I start in Hindi, it becomes a very Bihari tone Hindi, which
No problem.
I don't mind.
Just forward your
I don't mind at all. Just it was a joke so that we are all entertained and glued till the end. Okay. So I'm going to